Welcome to MillyOnLashes, located in downtown Tampa. My name is Millie, owner of MillyOnLashes, and I am a licensed esthetician. Now you're probably wondering how I got started in the lash industry. Well, just like you, I got tired of the everyday messiness with applying mascara and having those raccoon eyes by the end of the night, or dealing with strips and the glue, just messiness that took too much out of my time. Now, as a first timer, I decided to try eyelash extensions, and I fell in love, and ever since then, I've never been lashless. So for my first timers, if you have questions, there's a frequently asked questions below. Go ahead and click that button to find out more, and stay tuned so you can know what to expect when coming to MillyOnLashes. Located inside 1205 on Franklin, you will be greeted by yours truly. Once we are in our space, I will have you fill out a questionnaire and just consulting on what type of lashes you're wanting, your eye shapes, and what I recommend when it comes to your lash styling. I will greet you with a wine or water of your choosing, and after we have determined what lash style you want, we will go ahead and lay you down and get comfy. I will go ahead and place a pillow underneath your legs if needed, and we'll go ahead and start the process. And by the end of your service, you'll walk out with beautiful, luscious lashes.